You raised your hand. हाँ बोलो.
So, many times even boss, they also say that uh, at some point of time in their life when they were leading the team, so is my voice audible?
थोड़ा कट हो रहा था. बोलो अभी. Tell me.
Yes, sir. At some point of time, when our boss were also an intern of working or even leading the team, so they always say that me being the leader of the team at that point of time, I had swept the floor so that the site is clean and everything. So y'all doing it is not a big difference, or y'all shouldn't mention it in a different way. So how do we reply to those all things?
Site is clean as in means literal सफाई बोल रहे हो आप.
No, sir. Suppose
Then
construction site is going on,
हाँ हाँ
all those things, reconstruction,
हाँ
refurbishment, and everything is going on. So we have to hand over the site after the completion, right?
हाँ.
So the site should be clean.
Okay.
And
So if it tells you to clean the site, whether you should do it or no, that's what you're trying to.
so he also said that me being the leader of the team, many a times I have swept the floor. So how do we reply to those kind of things?
Many a times being a leader of the team, I am being.
He being the leader of the team, even
हाँ.
he have done those particular things. He meant to say in that way.
Okay. Okay. ठीक है. I'll tell you that. See, it is a construction site. Okay, and you are working with me. Chalo, I'm your team leader, and I'm telling you, we all must clean it. If being a leader of the team, even I would have done it. Am I leading it from the front? Am I doing it myself? Have you seen me doing it anytime? बताने को मैं कुछ भी बता सकता हूँ. I can tell you that in 1971 war I bombed Karachi. बोलने में क्या जाता है? But have you seen me doing that? The answer is no. See, सिचुएशन बहुत डाइसी रहता है. अभी वो सिचुएशन पे आपको स्पॉट पे कैसे डिसीजन लेना है, दैट it's very difficult to teach this to you in the classroom. Now it all depends on the nature of that particular boss. If the boss is a democratic boss, he would say चल ला मैं झाड़ू दे मैं करता हूँ, and I'll start doing it, and looking at me all my subordinate, अरे यार बॉस भी कर रहा है चल अपन भी करते हैं. Somebody who is autocratic boss or a boss who feels that he's the dictator, he'll sit like this. Okay, Jayashri, Aditi, Isha, Chanda, you all finish this and report to me once all the cleaning work is done. ऐसे जगह पे कभी भी नहीं करने का. सर ना कैसे बोले? Fear of losing job. See, understand one thing very clearly. If you're working in that particular team as an architect or an engineer, and if you're refusing to clean something, you will not lose your job. And if at all you lose your job for such reason, then think that that company is not worth working for. Are you getting it? So ठीक है, बीइंग एन इंजीनियर, अभी मुझे इंजीनियर्स के जॉब इतने पता नहीं होते, बट समझो आर्किटेक्ट वो बड़े बड़े ड्राइंग्स बनाता है. तो ड्राइंग्स बनाने के बाद सपोज इफ दे आर डूइंग सम कटिंग जॉब और उससे कुछ पेपर नीचे गिर रहा है, तो इट्स माय जॉब टू पिक इट अप एंड थ्रो इट. मैं बोर्ड पे पढ़ा रहा हूँ, चौक टूट जाता है, चौक नीचे गिरता है, इट्स माय जॉब टू पिक अप दैट चौक एंड पुट इट इन द डस्टबिन. But if tomorrow my boss, current boss, starts telling me that Mr. Rege, if you want to take lecture in room number 414, you'll have to clean that particular room before you could take the lecture. I'll say, sorry, that's not my job. That's not my job. But if I see that a peon uncle is cleaning the fan and he's about to fall, I'll go and I'll hold the stool so that he can clean the fan properly. That is humanity.
So,
Hmm.
the opposite person saying this particular thing on that particular
थोड़ा थोड़ा ऊपर पकड़ो, थोड़ा जवळ पकड़. हाँ.
so the opposite person saying this particular thing
Hmm.
on that exact moment,
Hmm.
does it mean that he's convincing us to do so or an indirect pressure?
See, it all depends on that person. ऐसा like unless I know that person, it's very difficult for me to comment. If I'm in his place, suppose, and if I want you to learn how to clean the entire site, then I personally for me how I will do it. Come on, guys, chalo, let's clean the site, and I'll pick up the first jadu and I'll start doing it. Then automatically you will do it. But that is the way I will look at it. Not everybody will do that. So it is human, see you, it's human nature na, we cannot predict कौन कैसा है कैसे behave करेगा, you cannot predict that. You
And
cannot
so,
predict.
a person saying this is not always wrong or always correct.
See, at times maybe he's trying to see whether you are falling for whatever he's saying. हो सकता है यश, आई मीन आई डोंट नो दैट पर्सन, विद ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट टू दैट पर्सन, आज वो बोल रहा है ये साइट क्लीन करनी है, कल को वो किसी लड़की को बोल सकता है कैन वी हैव अ कॉफी आउट, नेवर नो। मे बी वो ट्राई कर रहा होगा कि वो सामने वाले जो भी पर्सन है वो उसको किस तरह से रिस्पॉन्ड कर रहा है। आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट, डोंट गेट स्कैर्ड इफ दिस इज द रियल सिचुएशन, not necessarily, I'm just extending the example, extend. So different people will perceive it differently. Now when I started my career, I have stamped the audit reports, I know how to do hit treatment binding, because the binder was not there in the office, and one day means I had watched him doing it, so I said let me try it करके, और मैंने successfully किया था। उतना super fine job नहीं हुआ था but हुआ था। But that doesn't mean that next time onwards every cost trainee will come to me, यार रेगे जरा bind करके दे, तो मैं ये नहीं करूंगा। आई डिड इट विद क्यूरियोसिटी कि मुझे कुछ नया, बाइंडिंग क्या होता है, अकाउंटेंट लोगों को कुछ ऐसा अलग दिखेगा तो थोड़ा सा दिमाग में ये होता है कि चलो करके देखते हैं, सो आई ट्राइड दैट। बट माय टीम कैन नॉट टेक मी फॉर अ ग्रांटेड कि चलना रेगे बाइंडिंग अच्छा करता है, सब बाइंडिंग रेगे सही करवा लो, ये नहीं हो सकता है। मुझे फोटोकॉपिंग भी करने आता है, but then that doesn't mean you expect me to take the photocopy. Now in some of the multinational companies there are no peons, there are no office assistants, so you have to go and take your photocopy. Okay, I'll take it for myself. कभी मेरा कलीग बोलेगा सर जरा मेरा भी ले लो, हाँ चल ला लेता है। बट नेक्स्ट डे इफ Aditi comes with a textbook of equity research and tells me that sir जरा वो मेरा पूरे बुक का कॉपी निकाल के दे दो, I'll say no, that's not my job. Go to Mahindra bhai, pay for it and get it done. So there's a different situations, you have to react differently. There was one question Mrunmai asked saying no to a coordinator or senior. See, ये no किसके लिए है Mrunmai, that is important. If I'm asking you to come on camera, Mrunmai, please come on camera and answer my question now, just whatever we have discussed, and you said no sir I won't come, that's an insult to me. But if I tell you Mrunmai, just go to Anna and get a vada pav for me, and if you say no to me in polite manner, even if it means insult, let it be. होना चाहिए, it has to be clear. No means no. Something which is not my job. If I'm not supposed to do this, I will not do this. I will not do this. So you have to be straightforward and clear in your approach. Are you getting it? So in corporate life, it is always said that your first boss is important. Your first teacher is important in life. Your first boss is important. And I was lucky that my first teacher was, like she was more than a mother to me. अभी वो अलीबाग में रहती है, बट जब भी कभी मिलता हूँ, my first thing is I have to touch her feet. उसके पहले बात नहीं, and she knows my family. She has taught me from 1978 to 1983, and she knows everything about me, and not only about me, about the entire class. She knows my first name, my dad's name, where my dad used to work, where my mom used to work, what my brothers are doing, everything she knows. ऐसे यार जीवन। तो first teacher के बारे में भी I was very lucky, and my first boss, these two guys with whom I, and the other guy was the Jewish guy who's in Israel now. He was like a problem solver for me. कुछ भी problem हो, his surname was Ashtamkar, so go to Ashtamkar and he will sort out that problem for you. Now that he's in Israel, I miss him many times when I'm in trouble. I mean, I think that I wish he was there, he would have helped me, but he's not there at the moment. So he helped me out with all sorts of problems. प्रॉब्लम को अप्रोच कैसे करना है, एग्जाम्स को अप्रोच कैसे करना है, डरना कैसे नहीं है, बहुत सारा काम आएगा तो क्या करना है, कैसे जवाब देना है, everything he taught. I mean, we used to learn looking at these two guys, Chokshi and Astamkar. We used to learn. We used to see the way they wear shirts, the way they conduct themselves, the way they talk, the way they hold their bags. अभी मोबाइल फोन तो नहीं थे, so वो सब चीजों से भी आपको सीखना होता है. So you have to learn it from someone. Not copy it is not copying, but getting influence. But influence भी अच्छी चीजों से होना है. One of them used to smoke, so we never tried, अरे वो smoke करते मैं भी वैसे करूंगा. No, that's not the case over here. You have to get influence with all positive things that your boss has got. Life was very kind to me. From that company, I moved to Larsen and Toubro, and there my boss was Mr. TK Gopal Krishnan. I'm taking this name bluntly and directly on this recorded sessions, but it's okay. They all are uh, fine with it. Fantastic person, fantastic person. One of the best bosses. What I learned from him, what do you think? What I learned from him? Can anyone guess? I've used this many times. What I learned from him: when in crisis, go back to basics. That was his line. That L&T was my first corporate job, and huge company like L&T. And he made my life so comfortable. He used to protect me, and there were two colleagues of mine. He used to protect us like anything. कभी भी ऊपर से फायरिंग आएगा ना, ये बीच में खड़ा हो जाएगा फायरिंग लेने की. So why are you telling this to us? I'm telling this to you. You must know this because someday you're going to be boss as well. कभी भी कोई भी, if somebody from other department or some senior person is firing me, he will come. Don't talk to Sarvottam. I'm his boss. Come talk to me. What it is. लेके जाएगा उसको साइड. Fantastic guy. Fantastic. बैठ के सिखाएगा. लिटरली स्पून फीडिंग बैठ के. अरे ये ऐसे नहीं करने का, ये ऐसे करने का. एक बार मैंने बहुत बड़ी गलती कर दी थी एक्सेल में. Because of it, the entire budget folder had to be done again. What he told me, सर्वोत्तम ये नहीं होना चाहिए था यार. बस. That's it. Nothing. I'll talk about some other bosses also, and they would have hanged me to death for doing this. But this guy, Sarvottam, ये नहीं होना चाहिए था यार. And he sat with me till 11 at night. We finished it. I was staying at Charni Road. He used to stay at Mulund. Our office was at Powai. He drove me to Charni Road, dropped me, and then he went back to Mulund. He sat with me and he worked. After that, the similar error I never committed in my entire career. एक्सेल के फॉर्मूला में कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया था, उसके वजह से सारे रिजल्ट्स चेंज हो गए थे, which I did not check. I was careless, so I did not check it. Lesson for you: never be careless. कुछ भी बॉस को सबमिट करना है, बॉस ने बोला अब भी चाहिए, वेट बैक फॉर सम टाइम. अगर रेडी भी है तो भी घाई घाई में मत भेजो. Give yourself 10-15, just take a round, go and take a wash, have a cup of tea, and then relook at it again, and then you send it. मैंने इसे बना के फट करके भेज दिया था, तो उसमें ब्लंडर निकला. बट नो वन केम एंड फायर मी. ऊपर जो भी हुआ उसने संभाले, मेरे तक बात ही नहीं आई. इट्स अ ब्लेसिंग टू वर्क विद सच गाइस. नॉर्मल कोर्स में बॉसेस व्हाट दे वुड हैव डन, ऊपर से जो सुनाई देता था ऊपर भी ले, इसने सब किया करके बोलता था. आई वर्क विद सच पीपल. वो शायद अगले एपिसोड में बात करेंगे हम लोग. आई वर्क विद सच पीपल. एक्सपोज कर दे. हाँ रेगे आंसर. Yeah. Hello. Are you all there? Yeah. Sorry, I just lost my Wi-Fi. Now I'm on mobile hotspot. Yeah. Can you hear me clearly? Yeah. So, uh, yeah. And the recording is on. Can someone see left hand side corner REC RI? Okay, fine. So let's continue. So no one fired me. No one scolded me for that blunder I did. And this guy, he was so nice and kind to me. One day I'd been for an interview, and on my way back, I wasn't having umbrella, and I was completely drenched. पूरी तरह से भीग गया था बारिश में. And when I came to the department, the air conditioning was on, and I was feeling cold. So he had kept one spare shirt in his cupboard. कि कभी directors ने बुला लिया, तो he used to wear that nice shirt and all that, and he used to go to meet them. He gave that shirt to me. Sarvatam, तेरे को सर्दी लगेगा. Wear this shirt, and he made me change that shirt and wear that shirt. When I left, when I resigned on my last day, he cried like a small baby. कि तू क्यों जा रहा है यार? Please मत जा. क्या खराबी है इधर? Learned so many things with him, how to handle people, how to, like he was a boss who would sit with you and work with you. And I mean, I shouldn't say this openly, but then whenever I feel troubled with respect to man management, whether in college or when I used to be in industry, man management में कभी भी तकलीफ आती थी ना, I used to close my eyes and think about him, how Gopal would have handled it. जब लोग आप लोग सब लोग एक साथ आते हो, ये सही नहीं है, वो सही नहीं है, ये यहाँ पे कुछ अच्छा नहीं हो रहा है, यहाँ पे ये नहीं हो रहा है, ये क्या चल रहा है समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, हमें वाई नहीं एक्स चाहिए. सो वो सब चीजों के वक्त how to handle that, it is he who helps me out. How he would have handled it. And literally I start visualizing Gopal talking to me and my other colleagues, and then I think, yeah, I'm talking to you all like this. It really helps. So point to be noted over here, that you need to observe things and absorb whatever is relevant. Absorb whatever is relevant. Are you getting it? One instance, I'll tell you what happened with, I will discuss this case in detail when we will discuss about fraud detection. So ये particular case में, there was one fraud that was happening in medical center, which me and my team, we discovered it and we investigated it. And this guy, my boss, he was trying to protect the doctor who was committing that fraud. For the reason was simple. He says that the person is a doctor. यार डॉक्टर कभी ऐसा गलत काम कर नहीं सकता. That was his perception. It was actually happening. So our head of the group, okay, he called all of us, the entire team, and he fired my boss left, right, center. आड़ा टेढ़ा लिया. The conversation was in Marathi, but then इतना बुरी तरह से उसको झाड़ा. I mean, we were looking down because कि हमारे सामने हमारे बॉस को पड़ रही है. Like how you all will feel if the principal comes to the class and starts firing me. How you insulted you will feel कि यार ये क्या चल रहा है. The principle of management says that such reprimanding should not happen in public. मुझे मेरे subordinates के सामने firing नहीं मिलनी चाहिए. But that fellow was firing him like, and this guy, वापस आए, हम लोग हमारे डिपार्टमेंट में बैठे, and none of us knew what to say. So he said, ठीक है यार, चलता है, होता है, क्या होगा, worst case I'll lose my job. ठीक है सर्वोत्तम, you take over my place and you run the department. I said, no Gopal, I don't want to be in your place. He said, नहीं, कभी भी ऐसे मत बोल. You never know when you will get an opportunity. Have you done anything wrong to me? I said, no Gopal. But whatever situation has happened, if I lose my job, show must go on. एक गोपाल नहीं तो डिपार्टमेंट बंद हो गया, ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए. Show must go on. The department should be on autopilot mode. Whether I'm there or I'm not there, the department should run, the stream should run. Are you getting it? So opportunity ऐसे मिलती है, you have to grab it. And exactly same opportunity I got in 2013-14 when all the seniors or all the top bosses in my company resigned, and I got an opportunity to be the head of the department. and the situation was tough after that, but then that we will discuss some other session. But then 1999 में सीखी हुई बात 2013 में काम आई और आज भी काम आ रही. So this is the impact your good bosses can have on you. Then I asked him, Gopal, what went wrong according to you? And the answer, see, इंसान खुद का self introspection is a wrong word. Self introspection कैसे करता है? He said, where I went wrong, where I went wrong, I shouldn't have protected that doctor without knowing his background. मुझे socialism नहीं करना चाहिए था. If something is wrong, I should say that it is wrong. Then whether the person is a doctor or a prime minister or a president or a coordinator or a principal or education minister, whoever that person may be, अगर वो कुछ गलत कर रहा है तो गलत कर रहा है. I shouldn't have tried and covered him up or supported him. Moral of the story, never ever support any wrong motion. जो गलत है वो गलत है, फिर वो मैं करूं या आप करूं. During appraisal, he used to ask us, okay, this is what I want to tell you all. Like Jayashri, Aditi, Rucha, this is your performance here. You could have done better. This was your bad performance. This was your good performance. Okay, so accordingly, I am giving you this particular increment. And at the end, वो हमको क्या पूछता था मालूम है? Three of you tell me, as a boss, have I done anything wrong, or I could have handled the situation in a different way? Please tell me. Same habit I also have. I ask this question in classrooms. Do you feel that I have done something wrong or I could have handled the situation differently? It is called as self-introspection. हम लोग कोई आसमान से उतरे नहीं है कि हम लोग गलत नहीं हो सकते. अगर हमने गलती की है, तो अगर आपको लगता है कि I could have handled a particular situation, please let me know. I will try and improve on it. So have that student or learning mentality on always, all the time. Okay. So this was my boss in L&T. And then मैं सोचा कि नसीब अच्छा है अपना, अभी तो अपने को अच्छे बॉसेस मिलेंगे. बट नहीं, उसके बाद बुरे दिन शुरू. और बुरे दिन मींस ऐसे बुरे दिन. I don't know what word to use for this.